Hello everyone. This video is all about my time at IIT Hyderabad and the most happening city of Nizams. So I was in IIT for a program called CFHE. It is all about healthcare and innovations, and we were a team of 10 dynamic fellows who were from different backgrounds like robotics, biotech, physics, computer science, electrical, doctors. So we all came together from different part of India to ideate and innovate new products into healthcare. So the fellowship was very intense. We used to visit hospitals to interact with doctors and patients so that we could find one unique problem to ideate on. Here we are discussing some ideas which we found in hospitals.
Okay, I will try to go some literature, some similar kind of science, and I will try to develop some 3D printed lecture.
You can take expert opinion from Rahul.
I think Ravi will be mass experience.
Ravi and Jignesh.
Yeah, Ravi and Jignesh.
Jignesh.
Yeah, master Jignesh.
And when someone used to come with a pathetic ideas, we used to beat them.
डिजाइन इस तरह से कर दी जाएगी.
So you can put it in that way, dressing trolley taking more space.
उधर एक टेबल भी था राइट अप के लिए, वो काम का ही नहीं था एक्चुअली, चुप्पी इधर से उधर घूम रहा था.
फाइल जो रखते थे उसके ऊपर.
डॉक्टर
सीढ़ियाँ करते हैं ना, तो वो जो बेड होता है ना, वो बेड को
हाँ तो वो
प्रॉब्लम है.
अच्छा, इसमें
प्रॉब्लम एनालिसिस था.
प्रॉब्लम है.
So at the end of our fellowship, 2 companies were formed. You can find link in the description below. While being in fellowship, we also got featured in official IIT videos like this one. These are a state-of-art IIT hostels with great facilities, but to get here, they wanted us to pass a test which is called as ODF. So ODF is a defense area with old IIT Hyderabad campus, which is 30 minutes away from our main campus. And finally, we graduated from ODF to the main campus. So the hostel looks like this. In one block, there are 8 rooms. And with the common washroom of this block. And this used to be my favorite area where we used to cook food and wash our clothes. We spent almost a year at IIT Hyderabad, and during that we have witnessed many happening events like this one. So check this out.
बहुत हार्ड
को सीधा प्रसारण कर रहे हैं आईआईटी हैदराबाद से, जहां ये लिवरपूल और मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के बीच मैच हो रहा है। आप देख सकते हैं कि दोनों टीम में घमासान युद्ध चल रहा है, एक दूसरे को हराने की कोशिश की जा रही है। मैं हूं राहुल और मेरे साथ है सागर।
और आप देख सकते हैं अभी यहाँ पे मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड ने ऑलरेडी एक गोल कर लिया और लिवरपूल एक गोल से पीछे, लेकिन उनकी टीम अटैकिंग करने में काफ़ी दिक्कत आ रही है और मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड काफ़ी अटैकिंग फुटबॉल खेल रहा है। अभी भी मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के पास बॉल और ये This Shiru Cafe was everyone's favorite place. Here we used to get free coffee and juice, and we also made few Japanese friends. And whenever we used to get bored in campus, we used to visit City of Nizams and most happening events. हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं SRH की मैच देखने के लिए और देखो यहाँ पे कितना क्राउड आया हुआ है।
We presented in Denmark, we took the solution to Japan for the Accenture Health Tech Innovation Challenge. So by the end of it, we were able to actually have a chat with the Ministry of Health.
And finally a day came where we have to say goodbye to this beautiful campus. Finally, I'm leaving IIT.
कितने साल किए इधर?
1 साल।
एक ही साल?
हमारा अलग प्रोग्राम था।
अच्छा।